Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef pho instant pot, full guide. Start by charring onion and ginger and toasting spices like star anise, cloves, and cinnamon. Then add beef bones, salt, and water to the instant pot. Pressure cook for 45 minutes and allow a natural release. Then skim fat, strain the broth, and finish with fish sauce and sugar to balance the flavor before serving. Make the broth by layering technique and patience rather than speed alone to capture true pho character. Char onion and ginger, then toast whole spices until fragrant, and add them to the pot with bones and cold water to extract collagen. After pressure cooking, skim foam and fat, then strain through a fine sieve and cloth to yield a clear, silky broth that carries spice and umami to every spoonful. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides for you. Quick recommendation. I've been reading a book that can truly change how you think about money, called The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs surprisingly well with long cooking projects as a mental reset. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble the bowl with attention to texture and temperature so each bite sings. Soak or parboil rice noodles until just tender, place them in bowls, add thinly sliced raw beef and cooked brisket if desired, then ladle steaming broth over to cook the raw slices. Top with cilantro, Thai basil, bean sprouts, lime wedges, and sliced jalapeno, and offer hoisin and sriracha on the side for customization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.